How to remove WhatsApp button from your Facebook page. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove WhatsApp button from your Facebook page. To remove the WhatsApp button from your Facebook page, first of all you need to open your Facebook application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your Facebook page. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you will be able to see the profile icon. Tap on your profile icon or the profile picture and now you will reach to your profile page. Once you reach to your profile page, here at this middle section next to advertise, you will be able to see 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots and once doing that, now you will be taken to the page setting page. Once you have accessed this page settings, you will be able to see various options here. You will need to look for the option Edit Action button. Once you find this Edit Action button, you will need to simply tap on it and inside it, here you will be able to see the buttons. Here tap on Edit Buttons and by doing so, now you will be taken to this page. Here you will be able to see various buttons. Now here you will need to look for the option Send WhatsApp Message and at the right side you will be able to see the tick mark. You will need to simply tap on that tick mark and it will get removed. Once you remove it, don't forget to tap on the Save button at the bottom to save the changes. Tap on Save and wait for a while. After that, you can come to your profile page and there you will be able to see you have successfully removed WhatsApp button from your Facebook page. Also note that if you have linked a WhatsApp business account to your Facebook page and wish to fully disconnect them, you will need to do this through the WhatsApp business application as well. So by following the steps, you can remove WhatsApp button from your Facebook page. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.